The aftermath of Hurricane Harvey was truly devastating on the lone state of Texas. According to recent reports, President Trump plans on visiting Texas this Tuesday. President Trump plans on surveying the damage done by Hurricane Harvey, and will also examine how FEMA and local authorities have responded to the crisis. White House Press Secretary Sarah Huckabee Sanders told the media that the president and his team are coordinating logistics with state and local officials. Sanders also reminded everyone that, "We continue to keep all of those affected in our thoughts and prayers." According to Texas Governor Greg Abbott, President Trump promised to provide the Lone Star State with any and all federal assistance. Referring to Trump, the governor said, "He called and said, 'Governor, whatever you need, you've got.'"